I want to be clear. The continued rise in active cases in Alberta is something that we all need to be concerned about, and something that is within our power to stop. We all have the ability to take small actions every day that will benefit our schools and our communities. The small actions and the simple choices that each of us make are crucial to limiting the spread in schools and across communities in the days and weeks ahead. We have been watching our case numbers closely over the past few months as we have had an increase in our daily case numbers to try to determine if it's clear that there are particular types of businesses where implementing additional restrictions could, in fact, reduce our daily case numbers. We have not found one particular type of business or location where we think that creating those additional restrictions would reduce our daily case numbers. Rather, it seems that the majority of our new cases are coming from close contact, potentially household transmission, social gatherings, or other type events that aren't necessarily easily controlled by formal public health restrictions and measures. I mentioned yesterday we have seen in the last several weeks a few outbreaks at religious gatherings, and I will be meeting with faith leaders to talk about the importance of the guidance that we have put out and making sure that they understand how critical each of those steps of the guidance is to make sure that their congregations, that their communities are protected. In addition, we are, again, continuing to look at our numbers and to try to understand if there is an additional formal restriction that is required. At this point, we haven't seen in our numbers the need to do any additional formal restrictions, but rather, again, encouraging Albertans to be following public health measures in all aspects of their lives, as that seems to be what's driving the majority of cases are social interactions, household interactions, close contact interactions, where it really is outside of that formal business environment.